Making the dogs some eggs this morning. Got some good quality eggs on there. A little bit of cheese for them. Now I'm about to put in the secret ingredient. A couple dollops of this peanut butter here on the eggs. Bailey, you want some of that? Good stuff there, yes sir. So, peanut butter omelets. You wanna lick this? Lick the spoon? Don't eat it, don't eat it! Just lick it, thank you. No, Natron, it's not, you don't eat it. You don't eat it. Natron, lick it! You don't eat it, you just lick it. Jeez. Alright. Natron. I think it'll last long. Bailey. How's that cheese omelet tasting for you? Bailey, what's she gonna eat? You gonna lick it up first? That's a very dainty way to eat it. Tear into it. Now you can tear into it. Oh yeah, look at that. Who loves you? Huh? Peanut butter and cheese omelet, just for the big guy. Alright, Natron's prepping the... Make sure the melted peanut butter's gone first. Okay, now we can tear into the egg. It's inside the egg too, Natron. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bailey, there's nothing else in there, darling. You're just pushing a bowl. You're just pushing a bowl, baby. Yeah, you probably need to go to the bathroom now, don't you? Hopefully you do. Man, Natron's just taking his time with his egg. Dang. Tear into it now. He's just licking it all up, just... Oh, now it's going. Now he's figured it out. Now he did it. Now he did it. He waiting for me to stop filming, and then he's like, "Yep, here it goes. Yep, now on TV. Down the hatch." He's like, "I don't want to look like a savage monster on the video, so I'll just be real." Apologize for the clean floors and thank the dogs for that.